Ah, premium bonds. I've been looking forward to this for weeks. Right, what have we won this month? I can't wait to see. What? Nothing? Oh no. This is not a good start, my friend.
I invest mainly in UK large cap companies which pay a dependable stream of dividends. I find these payments motivating, but instead of spending them, I simply reinvest them. I didn't notice much at first, but I've stuck at it for over 10 years. I hope this video inspires you to maybe start your own dividend journey. This is not investment advice, I'm simply showing you what I choose to do. Please do your own research. Okay, let's unbox those November dividends.
Well, no premium bonds this month. Let's see if we can do better with actual dividends. Okay, so on the 8th of November, we have Bluefield Solar Income Fund. It's a renewable energy company investing in mainly solar energy. So we basically have sunlight turned into electricity, which is then turned into money, and some of those profits are handed to you because you own part of the company. And this is what this whole thing is about, you owning part of successful, cash generative, profit paying companies, and you share in some of their profits, sometimes twice a year, sometimes 4 times a year. And if you just keep going, slowly, you will generate some big dividends if you stick at it. They pay 4 times a year. The current yield is 6.6%. And this month I received, let's have a look, that is £55 from Bluefield. If you want to know how much I have invested in each company, I'll put that information in the description. Okay, I'm going to give a quick shout out here to Mr. P, who commented on an earlier unboxing video I did. Mr. P writes, I am a relatively new investor, started in November last year, slowly building up my dividend snowball portfolio. Currently bringing in about £70 a month, which is amazing for me, as before my cash was generating hardly anything in a cash ISA. Well, Mr. P, I think you're doing brilliantly. You will soon be at £100 a month, and that was my hardest target to reach. Once I achieved £100 a month, it got noticeably easier as compounding starts to kick in. In fact, once I reached £1 a day on average, I knew I'd stick at it forever. That was the motivation that drove me on. So £1 a day of free money, that got me hooked, and I just kept doing it every month. So it's great to hear comments like that. Keep those comments coming because that really does inspire others. And on the 11th of November, we had British American Tobacco. They also pay 4 times a year, and the current yield is 8.3%. And this month they paid, it was quite a good one. That is £195 from British American Tobacco. On the 26th of November, we have Greencoat UK Wind. They are a renewable energy company concerned with offshore and onshore wind energy. This time, wind creates electricity, which generates money, and you get a chunk of that money back, and they pay 4 times a year. The yield is currently 5.4%, and this month they paid £70 from UK Wind. Also on the 26th of November is Tesco, and a lot of money goes through Tesco tills. Their latest yearly revenue figure is £53 billion. If you own the shares, then you're entitled to some of those profits they make. Tesco pays twice a year, and the current yield is 3.4%. And this time I received that is £100 dividends from Tesco. And on the 30th of November is BAE Systems, the British security and aerospace company. They pay twice a year. The yield is 4.5%. And the dividend this November was £115 from BAE Systems. So if you found this useful, then please give it a like, and I'll do another one next month. And if you want to view more dividend unboxings and to see what other companies pay me, then click up here.